What's good, y'all? This is a morning POV. You know what I mean? Got the Hellcat out in the morning. So I'm about to, you know what I mean? Just giving y'all boy a slight little POV, man. I got the hood off, as you guys can see. So y'all can hear it a little bit louder. So, you know what I mean? Just want to tap in with y'all boy this morning, man. I know there was something I was gonna make. I was gonna try to make a morning POV and a night POV.
Front KA band.
Got them boy out today. I don't know where they at, but they definitely out here today. But I got Brody right here recording me and stuff like that. So You said what? Okay. This thing is crazy, bro. If y'all got a Hellcat, like that's all I get for real. People be sending me videos of my junk rolling in traffic and with the hood off. Like I got too many videos with the hood off, bro. Like the hood off, like a lot of people don't do it where I'm at. So it's like it's different, you know what I mean? You gotta be different. You can't be the same, you know what I mean? So yeah, man. But yeah, this morning I just want y'all to hear the supercharger one, man. I know y'all don't really want me to talk a lot, but you know what I mean? This gonna
Auto mute memory.
And it's stock everything, man. It's just got one intake, man. And I already got a few things, so I already got a few things in this cat, man. This on stock, hey, bro, this on stock is crazy. Like they will pull, like when the road just started. Like if you racing something and the road just started or something like that, like 40, like 50 to 80. 50 to 90, bro. That cat is coming, is pulling, bro. And it's pulling strong. No cap, bro. That cat is pulling. Let me try something different here. I'm gonna be taking y'all to, like, this is where I try to go out every morning and get one of these things. But I'm gonna try to take y'all with me, man. But these don't say that I don't put y'all on to this thing. Some of y'all may had it. Some of y'all may not have it, bro. I cannot speak in the morning, bro. Or maybe I can't speak at all. Y'all let me know in the comment section. but yeah, this cat, bro, like I can't believe, bro. I see what people actually be saying or talking about, bro. This shit is crazy. I do got the sunroof open. Let me close that real quick for y'all, boy. And y'all gotta let us know what else mods y'all want to see, man. What else mods for the cat y'all want to see? Like, y'all gotta let me know, man. That boy been looking at the truck. Hey, that boy been looking at the truck right there, y'all. Watch he come. He like the hood off. And he's like totally different. Look at Brody right there. Oh yeah, he about to record. Hey, they like seeing the hood off, bro. I'm telling y'all gotta be different, bro. Y'all gotta be different, man. I know Brody, but bruh. Like, y'all don't even need to tune this jump, bruh. Y'all do not need to tune this jump. I'm telling y'all, this thing is stupid. This junk is stupid. Hey, don't flick that cigarette on the cap, boy. You stupid, innit? You stupid, innit? You know what I mean? Like, what's wrong with you, bruh? Yeah, man. Got the paper mill over here. Y'all know, y'all come over this side right here. It stink, bro. That right there stink. No cap. SRT. Hey, this junk, bro. I can't believe this. I cannot believe we got one of these junk. Can't believe we was able to experience this, man. This is something we really want to do, y'all, bro. We really, really want to do. So y'all boys stay tuned and yeah, man. But I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get almost close to the place that I'm about to get the thing from. So yeah, back at Nautical Bowls. That's the spot, man. But I'm gonna show y'all what I get here in a few. So, all right, y'all. So this is what I got. Let me know in the comment section. Do this look nasty here, y'all, or what? But we got some chia seeds, hemp seeds. But yeah, this is what I get, man. This is very, very good, man. I recommend trying y'all, boy. But hey, Nautical Bowls, you might have to sponsor a kid, man, because I be here dang near almost every morning. No cap. But yeah, that's what I got. I got my water. I got my that. Man, you got to spend quality time by yourself, man. It's like, you know what I mean? You only got yourself at the end of the day. So, always know that, y'all. Always know that, man. But gotta see what this... See the rest of this POV drive can do real quick. But yeah, if y'all boy got a Nautical Bowls in your state, look at this. This man just came straight out. Don't worry, you hit this. Getting about 7 Demon 170s, no cap. Not gonna lie to you. Man, just pull strictly out, man. Definitely gonna have to get like three Demon 170s. Not gonna lie. Let's see what's going on. Look at that dude looking at me like, boy, what the? That boy got the hood off. Hey, that boy do not. This is something different. I'm telling y'all, bro. People don't usually see this where I'm from. It's a good little morning POV. Make sure y'all boy look both ways, you know what I mean? I should strap y'all to my head. Let me know in the next POV in the comment section. Should I put y'all on my head so I can see everything I do?
Front K-band.
But that R8 radar, trying to read everything. Oh shoot. my side bowl right, man. I'm trying to waste in the seat over there, but it's cool. Look at that Camaro owner looking. Camaro looking. You know what I mean? Yeah, this one of those, man. That's the cat. Nothing too crazy. Trying to really get this. But yeah, that's gonna really wrap up today's POV, man. Just a little morning POV, get my day off right. I felt like I should have brought y'all with me this morning, which I did. So yeah, I get this called a acai bowl or acai. It just depends on where you from, of how people announce it for real. But yeah, I get a little acai bowl, man, because it's very good for you. I mean, nautical bowls, I need a sponsorship at this point. You know what I mean? Like, this shit is good for real. No cap. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up, you guys. Let's get this video to 30+ likes if y'all want to see more videos like this. Yep, and you already know, man. It's the HemiTwinz, and we out.
Bury me next to the booth and put the mic in my casket. I'm strong like a fat chick. Eat a rap game off a plate, then wipe my face with a napkin. And I let her call me Drake, but she won't get no attachments. Lil' bro still a fiend, he been on lean like Michael Jackson. Still selling weed, he put a keys inside his jacket. Phone on D&D for 2 weeks, got no distractions, I'm making shit happen.